Welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wanted to chart options activity on TradingView, specifically puts, calls, and custom options scripts, you're in the right place. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find and visualize options data, helping you make smarter trading decisions and keep up with market trends in real time. Let's jump right in. The very first thing you'll want to do on TradingView is head over to the symbol search bar. This is up at the top of the platform, the same spot where you'd normally type in a stock ticker. But instead of looking for a stock, type in PUT volume. What this does is pull up a list of all the available put options volume data. You'll see different puts listed here, usually with the underlying symbol and various expiration dates or strike prices. Take a moment to scroll through and select one that fits what you're curious about. Maybe something popular like SPY or AAPL, or perhaps a lesser-known symbol if you want to explore further. Once you select a put, TradingView will display the data, often as a line or bar chart, showing volume trends over time. Understanding put volume is valuable because it can give you insight into bearish sentiment or trader hedging behavior. Don't worry if these numbers seem overwhelming at first. With regular practice, you'll start spotting patterns. Now let's gather even more context by checking out calls. Hit the back button or navigate back to the symbol search. This time type in call. Just like before, you'll see a list of call options, each tied to an underlying asset and specific contract details. Calls are the opposite of puts, telling you about bullish bets and optimism in the market. Pick a call that interests you and open it up. The chart here reflects volume in call options, which is just as crucial for interpreting market sentiment from the bullish side. Sometimes it helps to compare both put and call charts side by side to see where the action is heating up. Let's add another layer. Head back to the home page, which you can do by clicking on the TradingView logo or simply clearing out your current symbols. You're going to use the search bar again, but this time we're looking for scripts. This is the special section on TradingView where you can find custom indicators or tools designed by both the TradingView team and by independent creators. Click into scripts. Don't worry if it takes a moment to load. There are thousands of creative tools here. In the script search, type options. This will bring up a whole new world of custom options, indicators, strategies, and chart visualizations. You'll see advanced scripts such as options open interest charts, volatility overlays, and strategy builders, even tools made by expert traders or educators. If you're just getting started with options, browsing scripts can be a fantastic way to find tools that fit your learning style. Some scripts also come with posts or guides from their creators, and you can read user comments or ratings for extra reassurance before adding one to your chart. That's it. With these steps, you've learned how to find put and call data and how to supercharge your charting with scripts. Don't rush. The first few times using TradingView's options search and scripts section might feel unfamiliar, but as you explore, you'll start to recognize which tools and data hold the most value for your trading style. Thanks so much for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or if you want to see more options charting tricks, just drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tutorials to level up your trading skills. Happy charting and see you in the next video.